everyone, welcome back to the Vetty Rider. So our journey for the vacation has begun.
And we have almost packed most of the things in 2 saddlebags, one big rucksack, and 2 backpacks. And here is our fully loaded Himalayan with the rider ready to hit the roads. We started from Bangalore, covering most of the highway, enjoying the pleasant weather. Time just flew on the highway and we covered 550 kilometers, reaching the beautiful ghats of Goa. The climate was good and the air was super fresh because of the rain. And with the same freshness, we reached home for a wonderful welcome.
While Goa is a dream destination for many, we are amongst the lucky few whose home is Goa. The tropical vibe, the fish curry rice, and all our favorites. We have explored Goa before too. If you guys have missed it, then here is the playlist for you all. This time too, there are going to be many places that we are sure you guys gonna love. Starting with the beautiful fort called Reis Magus.
A fort which is just 7 kilometers from the Panjim city. Technically, it's parallel to the road that leads to casinos, divided by this huge Mandavi river. And as usual, the never-ending gorgeous roads of Goa have led us to the parking of the Reis Magus Fort. The reception is right at the entrance and the tickets are 50 per person, and there are additional charges for the cameras, and that's 250 per camera. So we are all set to explore and there is no much trekking involved to reach this fort. Just a nice walkway that you gotta cross and that would lead you to the fort. No much effort and you reach a superb place. Isn't that great? We've reached the main entrance of the fort. Once you enter this part, you would see various pathways leading to different parts of the fort. You can choose any according to your convenience. These steps to the terrace lead to the viewpoints. Even though it's a small fort, the view from here was so clear that it served its purpose to track the enemies coming by sea. There's such a strategy involved in choosing this location for building a fort. It's located at a place where the river Mandovi meets the Arabian Sea, and the river is the narrowest at this place. That way, it was easier to spot any invader trying to intrude by sea. Isn't that great to know how engineered our ancestors were? There are around 4 cannons placed at these hideouts. There used to be 33 of them here. They have antique and rustic look yet maintained well. You can see them placed facing the sea, illustrating the positioning of targeting the enemies. Now this is the main part of the fort and is now converted to a museum. They were before a prison during the British rule, and even before that it was a hideout for the militaries and the freedom fighters. Reis Magus Fort has undergone multiple changes and is recently modified to what it is now. So it now serves to portray the paintings of Mario Miranda, who was a popular Goan cartoonist. Do take some time to go through his illustrations during your visit. They are pretty good. The museum also has a model of this entire fort. While we check out the model, you guys check out the real fort.
We could enjoy this place thoroughly. This small destination had a lot of interesting facts to it, and the view was a delight to watch. We could simply sit and stare at it for hours. Sunset would be beautiful here too. We got back to the reception and got out to have some refreshments. So you have nice stalls just opposite to the entrance. हांगच्यान खंय वता
कोको बिचार एक वराची ट्रीप आहा
हां हां
तितून तुमकां पिकअप ड्रॉप हे बीन करता डॉल्फिन
डॉल्फिन आसा हांगा
हय
हय आतां
हय डॉल्फिन जिमीचो बंगलो आहा तो दाखयता
कोणाचो?
जिमी
And we met Asif, who owns this place, who also can arrange for boat rides from here for some sightseeing. He had a list of places you could see. Do contact him for a more advanced trip from Race Magus. And that is all we had for you guys on today's episode. Hope you all liked it. And if you guys are new to our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. See you all on our next episode. Until then, take care.